if it was a truck that I was going to drive myself for the long term. So at Swift, just so people know, at Swift you can only lease a truck every 6 months. So while I'm fixing the other one, my plan is basically to have a new truck every 6 months for myself while I have someone else in another truck.
Right.
And then I did already talk to Charlie, by the way, because I was concerned about the age of the old one, if I could bring it back in.
Right.
And not Michelle. Yeah, it was Michelle.
Oh.
Michelle said that should not be a problem. She could get it in.